Hello everyone, welcome back again with another video. Today I'm going to talk about BDS, means BDSwiss, or you can simply pronounce BDSwiss. So this is a trading platform, so live trading platform where you can simply buy or sell the cryptocurrencies over there. So also I have provided the referral link in the description box. Please check it out. So let's delve into it. So trade with ultra fast execution. So this is a live trading platform where you can simply purchase the cryptocurrencies over there. So here I will show each detail, so how you can simply use this platform, how you can buy or sell, or how we can simply deposit the amount of money over here and invest over BDSwiss platform. So here you can simply see the all the details. So this is the details where you can see their features like partnership program, deposit, the platform like a Visa card, Mastercard, each and everything. So don't forget to use our referral link, which is in the description box. If you follow the referral link, then you can simply dive into this section. So please enter your first name, enter your last name, and enter your phone number. So from which country you are from, please fill all the detail. So main important thing is please use your document, national ID document or passport ID name here, so that you will be it will be easier for you to later on. So please use that and use your country code and phone number. So after agree the terms and condition, please click to submit. So then after you will be redirected to this section. Okay, so you can simply see over here, like I do have a classic and the live, so demo account and the live account. So please use your live account. So how to use live account, I will teach you. So first of all, I have a demo account. So if I use this demo account, so I just get $10,000. So if I use a demo account, then simply if I click on trade, then after I will redirect to another section. So here in the demo account you'll get free $10,000. So it will be easier for you to just practice the cryptocurrencies trading. So it will be much more easier for you. So simply I'm redirecting to the trading platform. So okay, so simply you can see over here like different types of cryptocurrencies and the trading, coins, bitcoins are here, BTS, ET, USD, each and everything available over here. So if you see the red or green mark, then it indicates that the red is for sale and green is for buy. So simply see the graphs over here. So at the bottom of the video you can simply see. So this is the buying and the selling rate of the cryptocurrencies. So simply you can see over there all the cryptocurrencies over in the top side, and at the bottom side all the like red signal is for sell and green signal is for buy. All the things are clearly seen here. So if you wanna buy or if you wanna sell, so simply tap on sell and simply tap on buy now. So first, before buying or selling, so this is apart from buying and selling, you need to deposit some amount of money. So I will also teach that. So before moving towards other section, simply you can see the in the left side like there are lots of things like favorite and new, each and everything you can see in the left side. So you can simply do choose the platform, and you can simply enter over there. So it will be much more easier for you to see all these graphs, and it will show the live graphs over there. So first of all, we need to deposit the money. So simply please tap on deposit. So after the deposit of the money, so you will be see this kinds of interface over there. So how much amount of money you want to like deposit. So I just wanna add like $400. So simply I will tap on 400. So please select the payment method. So I will use the Visa or anything else, you can simply select over there. So I will select the Visa option. So I do have a Visa card. So if you have other card or other payment method, you can simply see and proceed to pay. Okay, so here are the like payment method. It's showing like this. So I will use a debit card or credit card over there. So simply please I will choose the debit card, like a Visa card. So please add your credential over there. So after adding that, you will be like simply your money will be deposited to the BDSwiss platform. So after that, you will be able to simply buy or sell the cryptocurrencies over there. So after adding all this credential, all this information, I will show the economic calendar, so you can simply see all the data over there. So I will just tap on back, and here in the trade tool, you'll be see the various different types of tool over here, like economic calendar, trading, and so on. So I'm going to tap on economic calendar over there, so it will be easier for us. Okay, so I'll tap on skip now. So here you can simply see the economic calendar over there, like the high, the rate, the ratio, each and everything you can simply see over here. Okay, so after analyzing all these things, and please note that I'm not enforcing you to like forcing you to just invest over here. So if you have money, if you have like like a dollar, so you can simply invest over here. So if you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell over there. So we'll be uploading more videos like this. So till then, bye bye and take care. So don't forget to use our referral link, which is in the description box, and please make sure that think before you invest in trading platform. Bye bye and take care.